Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be telling about asynchronous function and synchronous function. So first of all, let me tell you the basic difference. In asynchronous functions, we are dealing with multiple requests simultaneously, whereas in synchronous, we are dealing with one at a time. So once the first function is executed, then the following is unblocked and then executed, whereas in asynchronous, the second one can be completed if the first one is taking much more delay. It's to complete tasks in shorter period of time. Let's use write file. It's an asynchronous functions. Let's just follow what we did in the previous videos. So it shows me an error which is a callback must be a function. So for that, let's make a callback. And it shows us file successfully created since it's a callback and it contains console.log. It creates the file. What if I use err is basically error. If I use error over here, it's gonna show us null because there is no error in the code. Let's just comment this section. Let's read the file. Now we can use read file function and read the file. We are gonna pass another parameter within the callback, which is data. We're gonna console log the data directory. It's buffer because we have not encoded it. Let's just encode it in UTF-8. It shows the string. Likewise, we can use different functions. You can try it by your own, and if you have any issues, let me know. Renamed, yeah, you can try different functions like append or make directory or unlink and other functions as well. In the next video, we're going to be talking about the OS module within Node.js. Make sure to check out the whole tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.